Alrighty then, here we are with an incredible 1962 Topps Baseball Cello Pack 3rd Series. That is the Mickey Mantle Series. On the back we have card number 212, we believe, some dude named Jim, and Bob Clemente stamp. Of course, Elston Howard too. I'm kidding about the gloves. So here we go. We're going to do it. It's been a long time since I opened a pack like this. Anyway, Mr. Hobie Landreth on top, if you like the commentary. Not many people do. Next we got some goon named Dan Dobek. Looks like he could beat the crap out of anybody he wants. Oh, you've got to be kidding. This is incredible. The Holy Grail. You know what? He's off-centered. That's terrible. Ah, jeez. I think I can do a lot better. Oh, let's try that again. Did you have a heart attack, Bill?